It's a wireless CarPlay, so you link the Bluetooth together, and then it automatically go to Apple CarPlay, and then you click this button to go home. There, I got 2019 Ford Transit. I believe 15 to 19 is the same, so I'm gonna show you how to remove it.
By removing it, what you want to do, I'm not going to use this dash no more. I'm going to put the Android system. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to pry right here. Start a little bit. Don't pry too hard, so you're going to break it, because there's a clip. All clip is around here. There's one clip right there and one clip right here. And with that clip, it's tricky sometimes, so you have to be careful. See, there's a clip right there. You can see that right there. You push that in. That's why you want to push that and pull it out right there. It's about 2 inches from the front. So same as here, 2 inches right there. And then that's all I need to do. I'm just gonna clip it that much. I don't want to take the whole thing out. You don't need to do that. Now you need a 7mm. I'll be using drills, so if you have a socket, do that. Take that out. Take another one out, and I want to lose that, so I'm gonna put my hand and grab them. That, and then now I'm gonna just put my finger right here, both fingers. Try that out a little bit more. I'm gonna put my hand right there. And just grab right here, and just shake it a little bit, and then pull it out just so. And down here, see. Now remember, I don't need this dash no more, so this dash is no longer needed. So I can, if it breaks, it's okay, but you don't want it to break. That's it. And then get all the way out. You see the wire right here. There's a couple wire right there. You just unclip it, and that's it. You push this. Can you see that right here? You push this thing down the middle and push it out that way, outward. That's it. Same as all of them. Antenna, push it down. Oh, there's a tight. I'll take this out first. Push, pull it out. There's a clip. Use your finger and do that same way. It's a little bit tricky right here. And I did push that right there, and it doesn't want to come out. I'm trying to push it harder. That's for the antenna. You want to make sure it's. You might have to take a smaller flathead and get it out. But yes, take a flathead and push that down and pull it, pry it out. Right there. That's good.
You can see I got that out right there. I'm gonna have to take this part out that has a light. I'm gonna take that out so they can see passenger airbag and put it on here. And I'm gonna show you what's needed for this one. Since this thing doesn't have a screen, you do not need the CAN bus. Okay, the CAN bus will not work. So you got this USB right there for CarPlay, Apple CarPlay, and you got the GPS. You got this plug. It's plug and play. I'm gonna try to see if I can make this key 2 work. Basically, the key 2 and key 1 is for steering wheel control, and this is if you want to hook up an aftermarket amplifier or anything like that, camera and everything else. And this is for the backup camera. I'm not gonna be installing that today because he's already had one already. And this is for the yes, there's 2 right there. One of them is for the charger. It's got 4, and then the one with the 6 is for the USB. I'm sorry, it's for the Apple CarPlay. So I'm gonna put a tape on here so he know exactly which one's chargers. This one is for basically the Apple CarPlay, and I got Bluetooth antenna adapter right there. I don't think this is the right one. I'm not sure. We'll figure it out later. And then this is if they have existing a USB port. Let me see if it does or not. No, he doesn't have one. So yeah, that antenna adapter is good. So I'm gonna be running the Bluetooth from here down here to over there. Since my guy's doing other jobs, I'm gonna just pull this rubber out. I'm gonna put the Bluetooth right there, the mic. So I got this camera. The camera that came with it is too short. So if you wanna do it, don't put it over here. Put it right here. But it's not good because you basically your head is your mouth right here. So you can be speaking right here. But if you put it right here, they're gonna be like, I can't hear you. But if you got the one that came with it, you wanna put it right here. I got one longer, so I ran it down here. And it should be fit all the way over there because this is too short. See, I plugged everything in there. The key 2, I'm not sure if it needed for the steering wheel control programming. I got the jacks, and then the mic's going to be hooked up. And then this is for the camera. and the 2 right there, the 6 and the 4 pin right there. Whoop. 6 and the 4 pin right there. I plugged it over there. I'm gonna show you how to do it. I got the antennas plug, and then I got GPS already put inside right here. I'm gonna be removing this by, it's not so hard, so just the clip right there, you can pull this clip out one side, and then you take a flathead and pull the other side, the whole thing will come out. You got this spot, this 2 and this 2, so you got 2, 4 and 6 right there. And then you need I think it's the T20 on this one. Put it, align it with that previous one. Just push it in on each side, snap in and make sure it snaps. Don't worry about the screw right here, you don't need it because it's already snapped in already. I'm gonna do the other side, same thing. So push that in, snap the other side. See, push it down. That's it. Simple, very simple. And then just come over here, flip it up right there, just same thing, push it in, make sure it's not stuck, so sticking, and that's it. And then if you want this to be in there too, just put it in there, but the customer doesn't have it, but I don't know if I should put it in now. Let me try that. Flip it back, push the clip, it's only a little 3 clip right there, and come over here, do the same thing, push on the side, push it down, and it should come out. But I don't know if this clip is the same, so we might not be able to use it, or we might, we'll see. Now I'm gonna do the same thing. If it clip, it's good. If it's not, I'm using, yep, it's clip good. So that's it. Right here, what I did is I pushed this down and push both sides down using 2 hands, and then push it in. Push it down and pull it down. Push it in and pull it down. And then I ran the USB right here, as you can see right there. I'm gonna close it back. I'm gonna run it over here and plug onto that, and then plug all this back in. Just match it, like, see that plug right there, just match this plug, and the rest of them, it's plug and play. So as you can see, I plugged everything to the OEM radio harness, and I plugged the hazard light and the passenger airbag monitor, plug, and antenna plug, all that, everything's plugged, and I got the mic hooked up also. And hopefully I don't have to do anything with the key 1 and key 2, because it does have the up and down volume right there, steering wheel control. I'm gonna put it back in there, and I'm gonna play, see if it work or not. About the clip, what you do with the clip is you pull one side like this and take a flathead and pry this up and then push it out towards me. Before I put everything together, I want to make sure the sound is working. Click on the music. Where's the music? What happened to sound? So YouTube won't let me play a music, but yes, we got sound. So I'm gonna go back and see if I can program the steering wheel right there. If not, it's not gonna work, but I'll find out. I'm gonna go cost setting. I'm gonna go pull it down, scroll it down to steering wheel control. So I'm gonna click on this button, and then I'm gonna hold the volume up right there. I think this too is volume. So click on that one, and push that button right there, and I don't think steering wheel is gonna work on this one. So but anyway, what I'm gonna try to do right now, I'm gonna use that CAN bus that they got. Maybe it works. I'm just gonna test it. It wouldn't hurt anything. Plug the CAN bus, which is, I knew it's not gonna work because it doesn't have other plug right there to work, so it's not gonna work. I'm gonna take it off and plug the old one back. A wireless CarPlay, so you plug, you link the Bluetooth together, and then it automatically go to Apple CarPlay, and then you click this button to go home, and you can click on video, Chrome, YouTube. That's if you want to do your Wi-Fi. You click on Wi-Fi right here, and then it will display sometimes it's a little bit slow, but it will display all the Wi-Fi around here. See how that is? But his Apple CarPlay is clicking in. But anyway, all of them are the same. All this thing, click on that, you do different setting, volume setting, but a lot of people don't mess with that. And just link to your Wi-Fi.